For the banded push press, we're gonna go ahead and use a resistance band that's going to be challenging enough to where we wouldn't be able to smoothly strict press it, okay? Because we are trying to get the legs involved. We're trying to use a little bit of momentum. So to train the mind to be able to think that we have to use our legs, make sure you're using a heavy enough resistance band. Now, this one's gonna be pretty easy for me just for the demonstration, but I do want you to challenge yourself. So what we are going to be doing is we're stepping inside of our band, pulling it up, curling it up with an overhand grip, and hooking the thumbs in. Make sure that we have a good grip on that band. The band is going to be on the outsides of the arms. Now, what we are doing is coming from the shoulders. We're going to get a little dip, just a tiny little dip, okay? My pelvis is dropping straight towards the heels. My knees are dropping straight over top of my toes, okay? Not a full squat, just a little dip. And then we are going to aggressively extend the hips, drive, and simultaneously push the arms up to the sky. You want to use the momentum of the legs to carry into the band to push up and press. Again, challenge yourself with the resistance of the band. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the banded push press. If you're curious about other movements, go ahead and check out my page, or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.